Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we talk about language learning, specifically Spanish. So today I want to talk about sleep. I know you already know sleep is very important for a ton of things. If you've ever read the book Why We Sleep by Matthew Walker, then you totally get it. And I would reference a bunch of studies and a bunch of books, but I don't have an editor and I just gotta post this. So we're gonna talk about sleep and how it relates to language learning. So how does it relate to it? Well, think of it this way. I think of it as in like you're lifting weights. I've had a very bad, sleep hygiene schedule in college. I was sleeping 5 hours a day or 5 hours a night. And some of these days I also sleep very little, and I can tell every time I'm trying to learn something, it's impaired. Same thing with the weightlifting. Every time I don't sleep a lot, it's impaired. Especially with the type of language learning style that I promote, which is to get in there, study your half an hour, 45, 1 hour a day, and you are done and move on. At least, and this is what works for me. And this is why I promote it and I'm trying to spread it, because it might help other people who are like, I'm trying to learn a language, but I feel like I'm getting burnt out. This is how I'm looking at it. Get rested, feel good, hit it 3 to 4 times a week. When you go in there, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, for example, you talk to your native speaker, your language partner, you get your learning in and you get out. Just like when you're trying to weightlift, just like when you're trying to get in shape. A lot of people think that when you're trying to get in shape, you should work out 2, 3, 5 times a day. You don't have to. Go in there, smash that 30, 45 to 1 hour workout and you are done. It's like, who would get further? The person that works out 3 times a week for 3 months, or the person that works out 6 times a week for 2 weeks because afterwards they burn out so they don't go back to the gym. Now, I'm not saying you can't go 6 times a week, and I'm not saying that you can't practice your language 6 times a week. Maybe you're like, hey, this is my hobby, I really enjoy it, I'm not gonna get burnt out, and I'm like, fine, you do you. I'm sure you're gonna be awesome at all these languages, but take care, because this relates to sleep. Take care of your energy levels. Make sure you're feeling good. It's like sleep for me is very important, but it's also about your energy. So if I'm going into a language, if I'm going to talk to my language partner and I'm feeling dull and I'm feeling like, oh my gosh, I can't do it, I'll muster up the energy, but right afterwards I'll reflect. I'll say, why did I not feel as good as I could have? Because it definitely, you can tell the conversation's not as good. I'm not asking the right questions as good. I'm not reflecting. It's like going to the gym half-assed when you haven't slept. Like, yes, you're going through the motions, and some people are like, get in there no matter what. But honestly, sometimes it's about, hey, I need to rest. Tomorrow I'll come back and I'll hit it hard. So make sure that you're taking care of your energy, you're taking care of your sleep. I don't care if anyone says sleep 6 hours a day or 6 hours a night and just, work as hard as you can. Sleep what you need to sleep. Feel better. Good luck with your language learning, and I hope this helps.